Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you how to crochet a simple 2D flower with 3 rounds for this crochet baby bag. I have uploaded crochet tutorial video of this bag on my channel already. You can watch it. And in this video, I will be sharing with you how to crochet the flower which I will place in the center of this bag. So let's get started. For this crochet project, I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook and 2 strands of 3-ply yarn together. You can use a 4-ply yarn instead as well. In our country, 3-ply yarn is used mostly. So if I want to make a project bit thick and sturdy, I use 2 strands of yarns together. So pattern would be the same with 4-ply yarn, so you can use 4-ply yarn as well. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this, and then with the help of crochet hook, pull the second yarn through first one. This is magic ring. Now we will make our first round on magic ring. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around crochet hook, go into the magic ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops, pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2, pull the yarn through other 2. Wrap the yarn again, make double crochet stitch. So this is our pattern for first round. We are going to make 14 double crochet stitches and chain 3 is counted as a double crochet. So total of 15 double crochet stitches. So our stitches are completed. Now pull this starting yarn to close the magic ring. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain right here. Make chain 1, go into the same chain 3, draw up a loop. We have 2 loops on our hook, pull the yarn through these 2 loops. This is called single crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. After making 3 chains, skip 2 stitches and into the third stitch, make a single crochet. Make 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, into the third one make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 stitches, single crochet into the third one. Again chain 1, 2, 3, skip 2 stitches into the next one, single crochet, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch right here. Now we are going to work into these chain 3 spaces for the third and final round of our flower. So wrap the yarn around crochet hook like this, go into this chain 3, draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook, pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. This is half double crochet stitch. Now we are going to make double crochet stitches. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and then double crochet 7. Now make a half double crochet stitch. Here is our single crochet stitch. In this single crochet stitch, make a slip stitch. Our first petal is ready. We are going to make second petal with the same pattern. Make half double crochet stitch first. Then we are going to make double crochet stitches. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5. Adjust them like this as well. Double crochet 6, double crochet 7, and then half double crochet stitch. Now here is single crochet stitch. In this single crochet stitch, make a slip stitch. So this is our pattern. Repeat this pattern and make half double crochet stitch, 7 double crochets and a half double crochet stitch, and then slip stitch for next 3 petals. So I have made all petals. Now make a slip stitch into this very first single crochet stitch again. Now cut this yarn strand, pull the yarn, and with the help of needle weave this yarn end, and with these strands I will add a bead in the center of flower as well. So flower is completed. I have added the bead, and now I will join this flower here with the help of glue gun. So I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. So press the red subscribe button. After that, press the bell icon and then all option as well to get notifications of every future upload. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.